Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This property in Glenmuir, Clarendon is a gem with 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. It's perfect for a family looking for space and comfort. It sits on quarter acre of land. The central location and easy access make it convenient for daily activities. Fully walled and grilled, this home offers security and privacy. The added luxury of a jacuzzi, water tank, generator, and ceiling fans ensures a comfortable lifestyle. Enjoy stunning city and mountain views right from your doorstep. Nestled in a family oriented neighborhood with quality schools and high school nearby, this property is not just a house, it's a complete package for a vibrant family life. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican, 85 million or US $552.2 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.